How to use your points on Shein. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Shein on your device and click on the product you want to purchase. After you have selected Buy Now in the product, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find payment methods. Simply select the payment method you want and then scroll down and you'll find points. In here, simply click on points. After you click on points, you can simply input points, how many you want to use, as you will find available points at the top as well. You can simply click on it and apply, and you will get discount according to your points. This is how to use your points on Shein. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.